escorted in by 20 armed police officers. I had to be escorted off campus by motorcycle cops flashing their lights. There were 300 students who had blocked all of the entrances, were physically assaulting people trying to get into the theater. The police had to sneak the students in 2 by 2 into the theater. They told them that until I left the campus, they couldn't actually let the kids out of the theater because they were afraid that if they let the kids out of the theater, they'd be attacked as they were released. That one was pretty wild. So after that, I was like, okay, well, I guess the security is necessary.
What is shifting? What is ramping things up?
I think the identity politics is ramping things up. So I think there's a new mentality out there. It's this intersectionality politics on the left that says that they're a bunch of victim groups, basically. They're blacks and Hispanics and gays and Jews and Asians. They're all victim groups. And we get all those people together to